So it's has 128 gig and made from Vietnam. So what's inside the box, guys? It's the pin and should be manual. So there's a quick start guide and the warranty card. Then here is the phone, and this is the unit. It's black color, and charger, cable, charger. Fast charging. So it has 3 cameras as well, same with my Samsung S21. The Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G is a premium mid-range smartphone that features a 6.5-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. And for the cameras, it has 64 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus another 5 megapixel quad rear cameras and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Awesome, right? It runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 5G chipset with 6 GB of RAM, Android 11 OS, and UI 3.1 software. Yeah, there's also another display fingerprint, scatter 5G connectivity, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Dolby Atmos audio stereo speakers, and either 128 GB or 256 GB of expandable storage. A 4500 milliamps battery powers the device with support for 25 watts fast charging technology. And it comes in several awesome color choices: black, white, violet, and mint.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray